Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we've got a 10-minute no knead soda bread. I love making this on the weekend or the night before, and then you've got toasty, crunchy, hot bread for breakfast. In a large mixing bowl, add 4 cups of plain flour. About a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, give that a really good mix and then create a well in the middle for the wet ingredient. Now we add the wet ingredient, which is buttermilk. You want about 2 cups of buttermilk. Put that in the well that we created and give it a good mix. At this point, you can mix in 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, but I like to go for half a cup of milk and dark chocolate chips, just because that's how I roll, obviously. It's really important you don't overmix this recipe. If you feel the dough to be a little too wet, just keep adding flour in small increments. So you want to shape the dough into an almost large coin and then place it into an oven-proof dish that you've already floured and buttered, just to prevent the dough from sticking. The infamous soda bread slices. So I've chosen to slice mine into 4. You don't have to, this is totally optional, but it does make for a pretty bread. And we're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Yes, 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 all types of glorious yeses. Just look at that. I couldn't help myself. It was calling my name, that little slice that was falling. I like to slather mine in Nutella because Nutella's good. Nutella's very good. My husband likes to slather his with clotted cream, sometimes jam, particularly when we don't have chocolate chips in there. You can add whatever you fancy, or maybe nothing. I hope you like this video. Make sure to comment below and make sure to subscribe. Ciao!